We will come to this topic called Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti, a very small topic, very easy topic to understand. At the end of this lesson, we will be able to learn some forms, rules, and examples. Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti, vocative case. What is this vocation? Addressing. We use this Vibhakti when we want to call a person, when we want to address a person. For example, Hey Bala, Atra Agacha. Oh boy, you come here. Tvam atra agacha. You come here. Now, here Bala is in Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. In order to denote that we are doing the Sambodhana, we add he to the left of the word. Now, Bala is also the Pratipadika. We should not get confused that the Pratipadika itself is getting used here. Now, the Pratipadika joined with the Pratyaya and the Pratyaya became Lopa. So, you must not confuse that in Akaranta Shabdas, in some of the Shabdas, you will note that the Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti will be the Pratipadika form itself. But it doesn't mean that Pratyaya has not been added. It has been added, and we are actually using that for addressing. So, He Bala Atra Agacha refers to, oh boy, you come here. Now, Ahvanartham. What is the meaning exactly? What is the meaning of this Sambodhanam or Ahvanam? Is Abhimukhi Karanam. Now you have a situation like this. The boy is seeing TV. Mother calls him, Hey Bala, Atra Agacha. So unless mother calls him, the boy's attention is already on the TV. In order to grab his attention and to make him turn towards the mother or to respond to the mother, Sambodhana is being used. That is, Sambodhana is Abhimukhi Karanam. In order to make someone respond to us, we call them. In order to grab their attention and give focus to the sentence that we are telling and to listen to the sentence that we are telling, we address them by the name or by the common noun, whatever, in whatever way we have to address them, we will address them. So this is Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti is used for addressing. For example, if you have to address many people, Bhojanaha, Bhavantaha, Kutra Gachanti. Where do you go? Oh people, where are you headed? Or where do you go? Bhavantaha sarve kutra gachanti. Bhojanaha. We want to address all of them together. Bhojanaha. Therefore, we are using Bahuvachanam. Now, he also can be used. Bho also can be used. He, bho, re, all these uh, particles are used along with the Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti form. Normally, we use he for the Shabdas.